getting sand up my gears.
Gee, I hope she didn't forget anything.
All right, wait a minute, Barb. Put it down.
Oh.
What the hell's in this thing? What's this? I said take only what you need to survive.
It's my industrial strength hair dryer. And I can't live without it!
Okay, princess. That's it. The fairy tale is over. Welcome to real life. You want this hot air machine? You carry it.
You picked that up.
You pick that up.
How dare you, you insolent peasant! Nobody talks to me that way. Nobody! Nobody!
Whoa, what have we got here? Will you look at her? Ooh. Those flashing eyes, those flushed cheeks, those trembling lips. You know something, princess? You are ugly when you're angry.
Uh-oh.
That's it. You and your dog are...
Please. Total humans, droids, if I may. It's going to be very dark soon, so I suggest we find a place to camp for the night.
Come, darling.
See? It's lighted.
Oh, yeah. This is the best. I could have carried 2 or 3 of these.